Winter break is here, and you may be headed home for the holidays. Of course you're excited to see your friends and family for that first week. But after a few weeks of living in close quarters, you may wish that you had a good excuse to dip out. Midwinter classes could be just what you're looking for. It's an opportunity to binge watch a class in a few weeks. This is a great option for getting core and general class credits. You can even take care of a prerequisite that you need for a class coming up in the spring. This gives you an opportunity to really immerse yourself in the material in the lead up to the spring session. Midwinter classes are just like other online classes. You'll be covering the majority of the material in independent study. There isn't a set time that you have to be in class, but you should expect to organize your time as though there is. If that kind of organization is challenging for you, then you will need to focus on improving it so that you can get the most out of your midwinter classes. Because of how quickly the midwinter session moves, students are limited to taking a single class. This should make it easier to stay focused. You can register for midwinter classes the same way that you register for any other Odessa College class. You can reach out to us online via our virtual advising center, by phone, email, or in person. Here are some important dates to remember for Midwinter 2022. The session starts on December 13th, the census date is on December 15th, the last day to drop is December 29th, and the term officially ends on January 5th. If you're planning to take the last class you need to graduate over the midwinter session, you can still walk in the fall graduation. Thank you for watching this Odessa College mini workshop. Workshops are recorded by the Academic Success Workshop Coordinator. For information on future workshops, or to request a topic for a future workshop, please contact us at lrc@odessa.edu.